Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, f everybody, just do your thing.
Happy birthday! Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. Today is the big day. Today is Tavania's birthday. It's now 15 minutes to 11. Got it this morning. I combed her hair. We're gonna go to Tristan's football match or soccer match. Hold on, I'm kind of distracted. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on in the comment section and share. So me talk to you about me don't go to the match right now. How are you driving it? I don't think someone charge right now.
I tell you, you forgive me $300. Come and tell us how that you go say.
What? Oh, I gotta turn it. The bed for me for drive van? So what is it? It look like a jailhouse. I first me a driving here. And you put this in there, so yeah, accessorize you. Sure, see the birthday girl behind there.
I'm not the birthday girl. That's my party today.
She's still the birthday girl. She's standing over this now. Unlike when I didn't want prison bar, so at first me I come in here. So. Alright guys, so we're here. The match not start yet. It's gonna start at 11 o'clock.
Gabby plays for the boys.
Where?
What day, Mama?
Oh.
Gabby's here.
Gone?
Not Gabby, our Gabby.
Alright. Come birthday girl, come talk to the camera.
Hello.
It's kinda dark.
Hello. Come to Vanna, see your chair there if you want it.
I'm on your phone.
My phone?
You have a camera? You have an iPad?
No.
Thank you.
Here. Put your stand in there.
And over the top.
Hey, poach.
Listen,
Does it feel relaxing, Mama?
it does.
Also, not only posted
Yo.
kids.
Daddy coach in action.
Kids and he ID'd us.
You operate a cadence, a flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, f everybody, just do your thing.
Play your position. Yo. Come down, set, come down for the ball, man. Play your position, Bridget. Tristan, go wide. Wide, that's up. Come on, man. Tristan, you're forward. Come down, that's up. Just stay, Tristan. You're forward. Stay and wait for the ball. See now? Move now, Tristan. You're offside, Tristan. You're offside. Come out, you're offside.
Here we go.
Tristan, come wide, man. You're forward. You have to stay. Movements, movements. Tristan, movements. Look around.
There we go. Let's go, y'all.
See, this out in the far, out in the far. So in the far. Yeah, you can't have the defense them set so when you attack at closing.
The man that the coach over the same good thing. You see over the rush. Yeah.
Mommy, look at that. My twin sisters.
Twin sisters.
Not that. No control, no pass, no, they not.
You don't understand their position.
No, they don't.
Everybody just a kick ball.
See? That's team game. That's team game. See that a while ago? That's team game.
The goal that they're going himself now.
As a forward, if you make yourself, you see, alright,
I aim to
three
keep
man
on.
in the middle, you know. So if you pull them wide, tell them what time you do. You saw me try to tell you.
So why don't you go coach your team?
Let me just tell them
I work, man, I work.
Yeah, y'all ball up.
No, man.
No, they're not.
Talk about Virgin. You want to wear something and I feel so you want to keep partying there. Yeah.
And I know that it's somebody's birthday tonight.
Careful to me. Alright guys, so we left the soccer field. We went and we got, why am I making this not open? We went and we got the cake. Now the cake is not what I was expecting, and I think that was my fault. It's proper cake, right? Cupcake. What's so much bees in that place? And the last time I did something like that, Tavania's was turning with 5 last year. I assumed or a minute I think about it, and did not tell them to put it in number 6. So I did like a regular cake, even though it's cupcake. But anywho, I couldn't cuss or anything. We took it. Now, for the very first time in a long time, I am on time. We're going to the venue now. See, 23 minutes.
Excuse me, Mama, what's this?
We're on the venue we're going to the venue right now just to make sure that everything is good and dandy. If we need to make any adjustments or anything before everybody shows up. So we will see you when we're at the venue. Hey, Javi. Hey. The cake. That's all I have.
Right?
That's it. I'll give you everything.
I was about to say.
Okay. Chevy, you can take some picture over this too. Not now. Come on, those you have to buy. So with ice cream here. These are your ice cream. These two are your ice cream. Go this way, go this way. Yeah, it's so cool, right? Alright, let's see.
These are for boys, Mama.
Yeah. Ooh. Jojo. I love this. This is nice. This is nice.
Lighting still. I haven't done lighting yet.
No, I'm not. Ooh, tell me whose name is that over there?
Mine.
Yes, girl.
Touches, okay? You look great.
Thank you.
I love it.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Do you like it? Yeah, she's like, yeah. You like it? Oh, my husband, Jojo, man.
This
Don't touch anything. It's being set up. Don't touch
So
it.
I put a little bit of everything, but
I
then
love
on
it.
the other ones too. I also like to spread them out.
Tell me what you think.
Please have everyone. Please start making your way into
What do you think, Mommy? You like it? Beautiful?
This is Tessa.
Don't touch anything. She's still setting up, okay? Look at your pictures over there.
We're here for Lacey's birthday party. Please start making your way to the
How many
party.
parties you have today?
To grab stuff.
Mama, can I see the rug?
Huh?
Can I see the rug?
No, I'm gonna touch your rug. Everybody's standing up there. Don't touch anything. I'm gonna get out of your way. Come. We're gonna get out of your way. Come. But we're here at the venue. It's basically 4 o'clock. Nobody shows up yet. I'm gonna need to figure out exactly what this is, because for some odd reason I don't know what this line coming from, and I can't change anything in the settings. So hopefully this fixes soon. And hopefully people can come early, because we're gonna get early. It's 4 o'clock and nobody's showing it, and we only have 2 hours here. That's crazy. The one time early, something happened. Guys, we really and truly hope that this is fixed properly, because we can't afford one next camera right now. This is crazy. Anyhow, I'll let you guys know what's happening. Hey guys. I literally just got in from the gym, but this video that you're watching right now, I was actually editing this last night, and while editing it I realized that at this point there was no audio whatsoever, and everything was actually in slow motion for the rest of this party. It caused me to almost wanting to cry, because there's nothing that I can do to get this fixed. So at first the camera was given, it was just, as you can see, some zebra lines going on. I don't know what was going on, and I did something and I thought I had it fixed, but what it did was to create another problem, and that problem was to put everything in slow-mo with no audio. So I kind of figured out what I did after going over the camera last night, but the point is that the rest of this video has no audio, so now I'm gonna have to be doing voiceover for majority of it. And the sad part of it is the fact that you did have people at the party that was actually sending up greetings, including Tavania's friend, or not greetings, but you know, birthday wishes, including Tavania's friends that were actually singing for her. We're gonna be missing all of that, which again, I really wanted to cry. I even had nightmares last night. Now we got home and we did another video, which I said I was going to do, and that video was actually opening all the gifts and thanking everybody. So we did an unboxing, and all of that video has the same exact problem: no audio and slow motion. Because it was a lot of work to get the job done, or to get the recordings done, I'm not going to eliminate the videos, but instead what I'm going to be doing, as I said before, I'm going to be doing a voiceover, and then at the end of the video, for the next video, if you guys watch it, which will be after this video, I will have Tavania give a special thank you once again. All right? But guys, you don't even know how much this hurts. This hurts so bad. So I hope you continue watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. So here's where I was actually telling you guys that I got it fixed. I was so excited, thinking that everything was fixed, not knowing that it's not. It's in slow motion, as you can see, and you can't hear anything. So out of the entire video, this part is the part that hurts me the most, as this is where everybody that was there, including my son TJ, was telling Tavania happy birthday, sending up all the birthday wishes. This is Auntie Susan saying happy birthday. This is Auntie Shireen saying happy birthday to Tavania. This is Tristan saying happy birthday, my favorite sister that he has any other sister. And then these are going to be Tristan's friend. This is Ayana, and that is Layla beside her. This is Tavania's grandma, her only granddaughter. She said so many things and I can't remember everything. I'm trying to lip sync, but I can't remember, but she's saying happy birthday to Tavania as well. And now we moved over to Tavania's friend's father, also wishing her happy birthday, which is very nice. This is Tavania's best friend's father, who is also wishing her a happy birthday. And then we went over to Tavania's friend's grandma, wishing her a happy birthday as well. So everybody was just there wishing happy birthday. Now I went over to her friends. They were all sitting at this table, and I asked them, do you want to tell Tavania happy birthday? And they started singing happy birthday to her. This part I wish you guys were able to hear, because they were singing and went all out. It was amazing. Tavania, as usual, being her crazy self, dancing while her friends were wishing her happy birthday. This girl is so crazy. I don't know where she get it from.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow, wait a minute. What you say, Ado?
I'm dancing.
So, are you standing still if you dance?
You would cry too if it happened
What are
to
dancing in?
you.
I'm dancing.
The party has now come to an end. We're outside packing up, getting all our gifts and everything inside, saying all our goodbyes for Tavania to come home and open up all her gifts. So we're home, and I'm just here telling you guys that I'm home and I'm exhausted, that Tavania had a blast, and also that we're about to go and open up all of the gifts that she has just received, including everything from the Amazon wish list. I was also trying to tell you guys that we received so many gifts from the Amazon wish list, and because I also purchased a whole bunch of stuff from Prime, that now I have to go through and sort of everything so we can actually be able to unbox what we need to do. Tavania was just here telling you hi, and we're just rambling off as usual. Including in this rambling, I was also telling you guys thank you so much for the gifts and everything that you guys have given to Tavania, the Amazon wishlist, everything, turning up to the birthday party. She had a blast. And of course, we're here telling you thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. Until later, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for sad. Say what you feel for sad.